Hi, this is the Seascape Seafood Market. We'll explore this place. There's dampa inside and a good view of the bay. Let's go. Near the entrance is the wet market. This is where you buy your seafood for your dampa. You could choose all sorts of items here. We have fish, crabs, shrimps, clams. They even have live lobsters here. Oh wow, they have performance tonight. So they have pickleball court as well. Very interesting, something in the middle of all these restaurants. We're going to the Yatay Asian Cuisine. For this, you have to go to the second floor. We're here, so this is the Yatay Asian Cuisine. We're going back here. We love their tempura previously here and also their seafood, particularly fish. So if you bought some seafood, they're going to weigh in for you and then you're just going to pay for the cooking fee. If you have kids, you could bring them here in their playground. Look at those kids playing around. They also have players game zone with billiards around, but looks like nobody's playing as of the moment. Oh wow, I'm actually pleasantly surprised. The last time we went here, there was already a reclamation of land right in front of this place, but you can still see the sea, right? Right here. It's still amazing. They have a pot zone, 20 pesos per 20 minutes and 50 per 1 hour. So this restaurant here is the Asian Taste. What you see at the back is the Lime Hotel actually, still part of the compound. They also have a kids fun zone, 150 per 1 hour or 300 for 3 hours. Nobody's just playing right now though. And of course, let's not forget our pets. Alright, and that's it for our virtual tour of the Seascape Village. Thank you for joining. I am going to post a separate video on the food that we ate. Before I go, I do want to encourage you that if you are having challenges today, God is a refuge. Just ask Him. Thank you so much for joining. Like and subscribe. Good evening.